morning everyone and welcome to a new vlog. Today I just want to bring you along at the end of the journey, my last vlog. I was looking back on it and I was like, holy shit, my energy levels has changed, my testosterone has changed. And I was like, you know what, I have to bring you guys on another vlog before I leave Bali for the next couple of months. So I'd say come inside, let's have a little chit chat, and let's go ahead and straight away hit the gym. Before we go to the gym, it's very important to electrolyte, or at least give your body some fuel. In this case, we do not take any foods before the workout. However, we do have some electrolytes to make sure that I can perform utmost. Besides that, I have to say I feel really good. And I thought, you know what, after the gym session, I'm going to tell you 5 things that I've learned during this entire project. Project W, where I've been able to lose 11 kilos of weight in the last 45 days. Something I'm very proud of. I shared it publicly on Twitter, which is pretty much the go-to platform that I use for English side of content. So if you're interested in more content behind the scenes or quicker updates, make sure you drop me a follow there. But let's enjoy these electrolytes and let's head to the gym. Alright, so right now we're at Obsidian Gym here in Bali. They're actually building their second gym, and that just shows you that Bali is really a playground where anything you can dream of, you can make true, just like the body transformation I've gone through. Today I want to show you a really cool workout. We first start with our cardio workout, and for that we use this little backpack, or in this case the big one because I lost a small one. So let's go inside and let's show you exactly what we're going to do today. Come inside. So if you thought we do easy workouts, you're gravely mistaken. Because what we're going to do is remove the water bottle. We're going to get some 10 kilos. I'll put that one in here. That's one of the bad boys. Get another 10 for the second bad boy. Because the only question you have to ask yourself is, how bad do you truly want it? This is 25 kilos. So let's go. Put that in the backpack. And then the heaviest part comes. Doing the one lift. I cannot even do that. There we go, 25 kilos in the backpack. Now time for the worst exercise possible, the Stairmaster. Let's go, 25 kilos. Still level 7. Job finished. All right, time to go home and do some deep talking. All right, let's go. Alrighty. Right now we're in Genesis Creative Studio here in Bali, and together with Arjuna, the myth, the legend, our videographer and our editor. I hope you guys liked the edits on the first video. I do have to say I was very nervous to actually upload that video, and the reason for that is, one, I was fucking fat, and the second reason was I looked so slumpy and I had almost no testosterone in me. And it just shows you, if you put a couple weeks of dedication towards your health, towards your life, you feel energized. Every single day I want to attack. I had 5 hours of sleep, just had a huge launch for my Dutch mini course. It has done amazing, for sure when this video is coming online. I don't have it in English yet. I'm not planning to do anytime soon. I just want to create as much value, build a following, and yeah, very simple. We're gonna shoot some content here. I'm very excited. The studio, it's a new studio. They're now moved to Peranan. It looks fucking amazing. I hope you guys like the quality, and we'll do some more videos of insights of YouTube automation in the future. But I thought, let's make just a raw vlog. That's simply it. I hope you enjoy, subscribe, and let's keep going. Okay, so right now we're at Avocado Factory and we're going pretty much for a really late breakfast. It's now already 12, close to 1. And what we're having is 2 eggs, some avocado and some steak. Why? Because I have to keep eating healthy. We don't have private chefs right now. So we have to get the healthiest options possible. So everyone's gonna enjoy their food. So see you guys a little bit later. Okay, so right now we're at home and I've just made a couple of Loom videos. I'm just pretty much reading through the community and just answering any and all questions that are being asked, because this way I avoid like overworking and answering everything individually. So this way I can focus, made a couple of videos, and now it's pretty much time to hit session number 2, which means we're gonna lift some weights. We don't have too much time, unfortunately. I have like an hour and 5 minutes before my next meeting. So I'm gonna get changed and let's lift some weights. Okay, so it's really busy here, but we're at Seoul Food Temple and they got one of the most amazing snacks, so follow me. Let's go get some food. Okay, so right here they literally got everything you could think of hazelnuts, walnuts, anything of like healthy food, also like baking powder, grain, seeds, herbs, really fresh food, fresh berries, which is absolutely amazing for sure here in Bali. And in this case, Arjuna and I are going to share one. And why? Because otherwise it's too many calories for me. And I'm splitting it because I forgot to take raisins or something to fuel my body before the training. So I want to have a quick bite and then go ahead and crush it to the gym. So we're going to take one and share one. So it's not too much. And it's this amazing snack. So it's like almond butter with walnut and dates. So it's quite a bit of calories. I'm just going to take like 1/3 of it. Why? I just need a little bit of fuel in my body and then we can crush the workout for the next 15 minutes. So let's go. Okay, so we're back at it again. Obsidian, session number 2. Let's go get it. Okay, so we'll start off with my favorite exercise right here. Unfortunately, Sol's not able to join. He has food poisoning. So I'm doing everything myself today, but the rower. So this is my favorite machine by all time. And the reason why is I actually managed to do 42 kilometers on this thing. And I'm not gonna break it now. Don't have the time for that today, but a quick warming up. And then we're gonna show you an amazing montage. So let's go. In the last vlog, I had no testosterone. I didn't feel self-confident at all. But everything I've done is earned, not given. I had to work hard for what I have right now. But job not finished. We're gonna keep going. Now it's time to go home, eat well, and work even harder. But now, I got something really cool to show you guys. And that's gonna be my content creation office here in Indonesia, Bali. Exclusive preview. So let's go get it and see you soon. Okay everyone, so right now we're in the office here in Bali, Indonesia. All of the editors, I just given them a lesson about YouTube Shorts for about 20-25 minutes, talking about how important thumbnails are on YouTube Shorts, but also titles and emojis, because some of them were using Samsung emojis. And to be completely honest, Samsung emojis indicate that you're poor, and we're trying to focus rich American countries, so they should not be using Samsung emojis. So we now swapped them out for iPhone emojis, which immediately makes the content look way better. That's a few of those tips. So everyone here is running a couple short channels. We are working on increasing the intensity of it. I feel the production can just go higher, and it's also really important to focus on higher quality. So they have to select better clips to work with, so we have a higher chance of going viral. And also next to me, we actually have Ferdi. And Ferdi got so motivated from the body transformation that we did that we actually decided to buy some dumbbells for him.
I guess I have the new challenge for me for the next 30 days.
For the next 30 days, he will be doing a workout challenge as well. And every single day, he has to send us a picture of him working out. And if he does that, then he gets a 10K rupiah bonus every single day. So at the end of the month, hopefully he'll be earning 300K extra just to motivate him to work out. And I asked him yesterday during the big dinner, I'll pull up a photo or something, if he wanted to get dumbbells. So we're actually buying dumbbells on the company for Ferdi to use to start working out. So that's something amazing. I love to reinvest back into the people, but I do have to be the boss. I do have to be strict sometimes and teach them the right ways to do certain things and understand the psychology. Because once you understand the psychology of YouTube, it's really important. So that's pretty much the office. Upstairs we have 2 studios. However, we're gonna change a few things to make everything a lot better, and that's it.
Okay, so right now I'm here upstairs and we're actually trying something new where we're hiring a UGC creator to make content for us. She has no idea that I'm here, so I'm gonna go ahead and surprise her. Follow me.
Howdy. Yeah, 11 kilos down now.
Nice. Hi, everybody.
So that's Brianna, and she's been making a whole lot of reaction videos. We're actually opening up like 5-6 more channels for you. Exactly, and let's hope something's gonna hit. There's a special thing that we're doing here, and what we're focusing on is actually having a US person make reaction videos. So if we have that, we hopefully get the premium RPMs by also leveraging music to increase the RPM on shorts. And this way we have a higher probability of making more money. However, we still have to wait for the first channels to blow up. It's a lot of ups and downs, which indicates that we often get stuck in the 10K view jail. So some of the reactions need to be a bit more reaction, like happier, more vibrant. Yeah, very well said. And so a few things to note. And then besides that, she's been doing an amazing job so far. And very curious what this is going to bring in the future. So let's hope one of the channels goes viral in the next 6 weeks or so we can keep continuing this project, since this is one of the fun projects that I'm trying, so it's not profitable at all. We're only doing short format for now, long format later, because long format is way harder to actually pull off than people think. So if you see those reaction YouTubers, you do have to know how the whole business model works. I actually lived for a while with some reaction YouTubers in the Netherlands, in Eindhoven, but it's not as easy as people think. Otherwise, I probably would do it myself as well, but I'm not doing that because I just want to make business videos and try new stuff. So that's it. Okay, so I promised you guys I would share 5 things that I learned over my journey of my body transformation. I just want to go over them. I do have to be completely honest, like I always say, transparency is key. I completely forgot to record this, so this is actually the day after. So lesson number 1 that I learned during these 6 weeks of high intensity training is that waking up early is a superpower. Really, I'm a night person. I love to work to 2, 3, 4 a.m. and sleep in a little bit. But waking up early gives me so much more energy that I can go do a workout, I can go ahead and train, I can go back and work all before some people are even awake. So that's definitely one of the lessons that I've learned. Lesson number 2 that I learned is communication. I always thought that my communication skills were actually pretty decent. However, that's a far-fetched lie. I should improve on deeper connections with the people that I work with, such as Made, our cleaning lady, or Wanner, our villa manager, to build deeper connections and do more for them, spend more time with them. That's probably the second most important thing that I've learned. Lesson number 3, accountability. It's very important to do the things you're going to say that you're doing. So if I'm promising to do 500 push-ups in a day, I should be doing that and not come up with excuses that I've been doing another workout to replace certain thing, because then I shouldn't say that I would do it. That's also one of the lessons I've learned. So speak the truth and act like the truth. Lesson number 4, everyone can do it, but there's no shortcuts. You have to be willing to work hard, and you have to be willing to put your 100% into something. If you're going to put 80% into it, you're going to get only 80% of the results and not 100%. So during these 6 weeks, we had no cheat meals, no nothing. Little snacks are okay. They have to be healthy and they have to be within the calories that we have set for every single day. And you have to make sure you eat whole foods, because this way you just get like unlimited energy. Like I have a lot of fucking energy right now. I'm just literally trying to compress it sometimes because I can speak even faster than this if I have to. So if you want it, go get it. Lesson number 5 is lead by yourself and inspire others. Because of the actions that I've taken over the last 6 weeks, I've managed to motivate hundreds of people through social media, hopefully also through these videos. But most important for me is I've been able to motivate my family to also start working out, to take more action, and also the friends around me saying like, hey, listen, I'm in the gym, hey, I'm also doing this ski, or hey, I'm also doing this. Lead by example and show others what you're made of if you want to get the best results. Now, unfortunately, it is time to go home, back to Belanda, back to the Netherlands. I have one little clip after this, which is going to be my goodbye clip, just with me doing some work, and want to wish everyone a beautiful day. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like. If you want to get more information, follow me on Twitter.
Baby. It's okay, you said. Buddy.